EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for September 29th, 2023. It is Friday, end of the work week, and the Friday video forecast is proudly sponsored by McCall Collective Brewing. McCall is a family-owned and operated brewery with 2 locations in the Lehigh Valley. Their original Southside Allentown location is at 102 East Susquehanna Street, and their second location, McCall Collective Tap House in Trexlertown, is located at 7743 Hamilton Boulevard. Both locations are open 7 days a week and have a full food menu, plenty of beer to choose from for both dine-in and takeout, along with local wine and cocktails. A brand new food menu was released at Tap House recently, and also some new fall beers were added to the lineup. For more information about that and all of their upcoming events, please visit their Facebook page or place online orders, visit their website, mccallcollectivebrewing.com. Proud sponsors of the Friday video forecast. So today we have rain. This is going to be rain for only a certain area, though. This is not going to be an area-wide event like we had last weekend with, or the beginning of last weekend with the remnants of Ophelia. This is still technically, Ophelia went away and it got absorbed in the trough here, but this is some residual moisture that kind of never went away. It was sitting over here at the southeastern U.S. coastline. Kind of sitting right off the Carolina coast here for a couple days after it disappeared. Well, now it's moving back northward, and that's guided northward by this incoming trough that is situated right like this. There's your trough. So there's an upper level low that's on the base of that trough right about here that's going to be moving through the region today. And at the same time, we have a surface low, which is right here, and an inverted trough that is situated like this, away from it, okay? So a lot of big mess on there, but an inverted trough, you can see where that clearly is. Here's the low pressure right here, and you got this inverted trough that's situated just like that. Under that inverted trough, you have an area of enhanced lift. So there is a chance for a very narrow area to see significant rainfall today. So the rest of you across the region are like, what significant rainfall? It showered a little bit. That was it, right? Or some areas, let's just say it was just cloudy, and that's it. And that's going to be true in both cases because that's what happens with an inverted trough. It's just rapidly rising motion in the column underneath that trough. Areas on the outside actually have subsidence, or it's dry air, sinking air on the outside. So you have very little. You have a very small channel and window of opportunity here. And I think this is your channel right in here, right along that trough axis. And that's going to be including where? Northeast PA through much of northern New Jersey and coastal New Jersey. I think that's where your inverted trough is going to be most prevalent and have the greatest influence across our region today. The rest of the area, you will get showers outside of this that is going to go all the way back. You're going to have showers intermittently so today, okay? But some's going to be a continuation of what fell overnight. But this is a look at this morning on the NAM high-res future simulated radar. Starting us off at 8 o'clock in the morning, you can see heavy concentration here across parts of northeast PA. I don't think it's this far west, but we'll see. Heavy concentration of showers going from northern New Jersey through northeast PA, and that's pretty much the theme today. As you go throughout the day, you can see where the inverted trough is. It's kind of situated just like this, right? There's your inverted trough. Low pressure is down here. So that is where the heaviest rain axis is going to be today. Again, you will have some showers outside of that. You can see some showers here. I got some heavier rain up here in the lower Hudson Valley as well. I've seen some absolutely ludicrous rainfall maps being thrown out there because they're using the 3-kilometer NAM rainfall. I'm not going to show you that in this video because it is nonsense. It had some rainfall totals here that were 6, 8, 10, even 12 inches of rain in some places. Across Long Island up into Connecticut, lower Hudson Valley area. That's not going to be that high. Now, there is a chance for several inches of rain, maybe 2 to 4, 3 to 5 type thing, but I don't think you're not getting like 8, 10 inches of rain out of this. Come on now. And this is going to be moving off to the north and east this evening. We will have just in its wake, once this pulls off to the north here, you still got some showers across northern New Jersey. You're going to get a break elsewhere across our region, the interior locations outside of the eastern portions of northeast PA, and of course South Jersey, Delaware will be in a break as well. And then we get overnight just a spotty shower in a few spots. Again, the best chance is going to be in northeastern areas, and then the same thing here on Saturday morning. Leftover shower, and then you might have some clearing very late in the day, mid to late afternoon into the evening. If we get lucky, we get a little bit of clearing here later on Saturday. Saturday's not that bad. It's just going to start off gloomy, okay? A lot of clouds. a leftover shower or two in a few spots, and then that's it. And then after that point, we're clear sailing. Now, before we get, I want to show you realistic rainfall totals and the axis here. Last couple of days in the video, I was telling you about how the models were all over the place for this event. They're still all over the place for this event, but this represents exactly what I was thinking. The highest amounts are going to be in the lower Hudson Valley, as you see here, going into Connecticut eastward, right? But this is going to extend into Northeast PA, the eastern portions of Northeast PA, like I said in yesterday's video, across northern New Jersey and coastal New Jersey. That's your area where the absolute heaviest rain will be. Okay, if you're outside of that box, you still get some showers, but you see from places like just east of Williamsport down through the Lehigh Valley, down through Philadelphia, far southern New Jersey, you're looking like between a tenth and 0.3 of an inch of rain, which isn't really that much considering how much rain is falling up in here, which could be like 1 to 3, 2 to 4 inches plus of rain, and especially around the New York City area, you can easily get some 4 or 5 inch amounts here in the New York City metro. I don't cover the New York City metro. We do Hudson County, New Jersey, which is right across the river, right across the Hudson River from Manhattan. So it's close enough, but we don't actually do New York City, Long Island, Connecticut. We don't do those, at least not publicly. We don't. We do have some private operations that we do handle. We have some clients in New York City. We have some clients in Rhode Island. We have some clients in Connecticut as well. So that's on the private side of the business, however. Here's what the RGEM shows for that generally same idea. Those same areas, far eastern parts of Northeast PA down through central New Jersey, the coastal New Jersey, and the lower Hudson Valley, as you see here. Those are the areas that are getting jackpotted in here. Okay, and so this is a very believable scenario here, and how I think it plays out here on Friday. Now, this is going to pull away again on Saturday, and then after that point, we are talking about mostly sunny skies moving in here for Sunday, and it's going to be hot with high pressure moving into the region. High pressure here on Sunday is going to be over the eastern Great Lakes at this point, and it's going to expand and move down in this direction. It's going to lead to several days, consecutive days, of mostly sunny conditions going straight through next week. Okay, here is looking at Tuesday morning, and that's a very broad and strong high pressure. Ooh, that's a horrible H I just drew there, but you get the idea. Very deep, strong, high, sitting over top of the region, and that means we are going to be in delightful conditions. Not only is the sky conditions going to be great with mostly sunny skies, we're also going to have temperatures increasing significantly. We're going to start off October, at least the first couple of days, 3-4 days of October, above average. Okay, probably goes through at least Thursday before we start coming down again, and then that's because we have this cold front approaching at the end of the week here. So maybe all the way up until Friday we're above average. After this cold front moves through, we have some cooler weather waiting in the wings coming in for next weekend and beyond. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for September 29th, 2023. Have a great Friday.